Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. Today we are making seitan. Stay cozy and let's get started. I'm gonna do the bath, which will be the water where the seitan will be cooked. We will need water, 2 liters of water, bay leaves, Szechuan pepper, cloves, cardamom pods, fennel seeds, star anise, soy sauce, bring this to a boil. We're gonna bring all of that to a boil on a separate pot. We are going to boil, or we are going to warm up the red wine. Some people prefer to use a little bit of water and a little bit of red wine, but all my liquids, I just choose red wine. 230 milliliters of red wine. While everything is either boiling and getting warmer, I'm gonna prepare the seitan with all the spices and ingredients I'm gonna flavor it with. So we are going to cook 250 grams of seitan. When I was in Berlin, we used to use the seitan bases from vegans. However, here we are using this gluten flour, and this is called vital wheat gluten. And it's used mainly to prepare seitan and meat-like products. Okay, so we are going to use 250 grams. I'm gonna put on the description box other vital wheat gluten brands according to the demographics where you guys are. America, New Zealand, and Europe. Okay? 250. This flour, it's quite unique. I know there was a trend on TikTok, I think like 2 years ago, where people were actually using real flour and doing several baths until the flour would develop, until the gluten will stick together and that flour would be vital wheat gluten, so quote unquote seitan. You can also do that, but it takes so much time and effort and it's a mess. Like the amount of mess you will do in your kitchen, God bless you. I cannot, but if you want to do that, please do it. If you want me to do that, I would, but you would really have to ask really nicely. And I would do it for science and in the name of love. The leftover, I'm gonna seal it really properly and then we can use it next time. As for spices, we are going to start with nutmeg. You can use a lot of this. Smoked paprika. We found these spices on Lidl. It's like a smoke rag. It has salt and other smoky things, so you can kind of find a barbecue smoke mix, and I think that's nice. You of course need garlic powder, To give this extra meat flavor, we're gonna use some, oh my God. We're gonna use some beef bouillon, about 2 tablespoons. Mix. So now that we have our seitan bases done, we have the warm red wine. To the red wine, I am gonna add some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons, tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons, and 1 teaspoon of MSG. Dissolve. You are ready to combine. If you don't want to put red wine, because you don't cook with red wine, that's all good. You can, instead of the warm red wine, you can add warm water. Not boiling water, warm water. Okay? You want the gluten to develop, but you still need to knead it. Okay? Two tablespoons of oil to combine everything. You see now with the oil, the difference? This is what we're working with. Cook the tofu for about 15 minutes. Done. I'm gonna let it cool down and then we can make a little recipe with it. My favorite will be chimichurri little steak bites, and Matthias loves a good doner. I've changed my hair. It was actually making me go insane. All the sensory issues were driving me insane. Let's season our seitan and then prepare dinner. For my meal with the seitan, I'm gonna make chimichurri, and Matthias will have a Berlin style doner. But let's make the chimichurri first. As you can see, the sun is hitting just right. We're gonna need the coriander. I haven't had chimichurri in months. I think almost a year now. Well, probably not a year, because I'm obsessed with chimichurri, but really long time.
What was that? It's like, I'm excited. Facts. That's never actually vile. I love her. actually love her, and this dog life is fun. Oh my days.
The veggies sliced and ready. We got the wraps. The tofu will go in the oven for 20 minutes at 180.
Anyways, this is when things started to get a little sus. So
Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you tons. Stay cozy. See you in my next video.